You've reached Lydia
and Dima.
We are currently unavailable because we are living and traveling in our caravan around Europe.
If you want to stay in touch and follow our journey,
please leave us a message below.
So we just arrived at our destination here, close to the border already, to go tomorrow after work to Czech Republic, and it's 8 degrees in the night. 8 degrees. 8. What the? We woke up and the 8 degrees in the night weren't feeling like 8 degrees in winter at all, right?
No.
They were like 8 degrees summer night. So it was more like 18. I really don't know. The 8 degrees. Never heard, never felt, nothing. It was all cool. Yeah. And now we're on the way to Prague. Prague, whatever you want to call it. Prague. What's this weird building? Like it's the same kind. Okay? It's the same kind, you know? It's 12 o'clock. 12 and 12:30.
Yes.
Dinner.
We went to a pub in the center. We met some guys from Holland and then we just like had fun and forgot about dinner.
It was a very nice evening. Very
fun.
funny.
Yes.
Fik in de keuken. Ik kom klaar.
Yeah, but
Very
now
fun.
it's time to sleep. We ate something good now.
few moments later. It's raining and 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 raining. Every 5 to 10 minutes. It's like sun rain, 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 sun rain.
Yeah.
Yay! That's something I don't understand. What the f, bro? What is this asshole face? The rain kinda stopped, but it did not stop. We're just continuing. Ooh, John Lennon wall. Looks exactly the same.
No.
I didn't even film it. It's exactly how it is looking. Another stop. Prague is fun.
Hello.
Hello. Free the boobies.
We came here to this lake in Prague to stay for a few days and work.
Yeah, but the parking is 100 meters away.
Yeah.
Still nice.
So we will stay a few days here, so I can fly from Prague and then
I'll see you in Poland again.
yeah.
Crazy girl. So this is where we've parked for hopefully the next couple of days, with some racers around trying to learn how to do burnout or whatever, I don't know. Let's see. But there are also some other guys here around with campers.